Looking for a special getaway? Need to spend some time in nature? Join Dr. Mary Newstrom, shamanic teacher, and Virginia Cooper, the director of the Women and Spirituality Conference, May 3rd and 4th at the Ark Retreat Center in Stanchfield, Minnesota, as they hold a special retreat. Finding balance through connection with nature. Double rooms only $330, with single rooms costing $380. Our home base for the weekend will be a beautiful lodge set on 40 acres of white pine. Included is yummy farm-to-table food, drumming circles, fire ceremony, shamanic journeys, forest bathing, and plenty of downtime to take in the breathtaking beauty of nature. Everyone will leave with a handcrafted shaman's pouch that will anchor your experience in nature and leave you power-filled. Contact Dr. Mary at 952-913-5574 or Mary at zenithhigh.com to register for this transformational event.